Hi, my name is Cullen Coogan. I'm the building consultant here for America's Home Place at the Athens, Georgia location. In my personal opinion, the Berglund Modern Farmhouse is my favorite floor plan. So the Berglund Farmhouse is 2,196 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It comes with a 2-car garage. You can have a front entry garage, or in my personal opinion, I would do a side entry garage. First thing you're gonna notice when you see the plan is this huge front porch. You know, I could picture rocking chairs out there, having my morning coffee, and then you walk into a wide open floor plan. It's a split floor plan, so you're gonna have the kids' rooms on one side and the master suite on the other side. As you walk through the living room, the living area, you'll notice another rear covered porch. Again, just a perfect spot to sit and have your morning coffee, have an evening glass of wine. The floor plan is open, so you'll have the kitchen that flows into the dining room, flows into the living room. The kitchen has a great island, in my opinion. A perfect kitchen for entertaining, a perfect kitchen for families, because you can be making dinner and also enjoy the family in the dining room or the living room. You walk through the kitchen into a large master suite. You'll have a large walk-in closet, separate vanities, a garden tub, and a huge shower. So in regards to the split floor plan, again, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms on the other side of the master with a shared bathroom. It's just a plan that works great, in my opinion, for families, for entertaining, and also just privacy of that nice back covered porch. If you would like to learn more, please visit us at americashomeplace.com and be sure to like and subscribe.